Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the WINMM.DLL missing or not found error in Windows with the error message. These applications failed to start because WINMM.DLL was not found. Reinstalling the applications may fix this problem. So the reason this WINMM.DLL missing error occurs software related or related to system files, corruptions and system files, incomplete installations of a program, and virus infections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to re-register the DLL file. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na reg sbr32 space / winmm.dll. Alright, so just type this command keyword reg sbr32 space / winmm.dll and press enter. And then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter, so just type this command keyword reg sbr32 space winmm.dll. So just type again this command keyword reg sbr32 space winmm.dll and press enter. Alright, and then click OK. And then after dito sa administrator command prompt, then close lang natin yan. And dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, so tap only this restart. Alright, so but if the error still persists, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update your audio drivers. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.msc. That is all one word. So this is the command keyword shortcut for device manager. And itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na itong device manager, ang next step, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung view. And then i-select mo lang dito yung show hidden devices. So click mo lang yan. And then after that, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or i-select yung sound, video, game controllers. So dito sa sound, video, and game controllers, so i-select mo lang dito yung ating audio driver and kailangan lang i-update. Kung paano ba yan i-update, so select and right click and itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang dito yung search automatically and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to use sfc and dsym command. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CND or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dsym space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, and then copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus C para makopy natin yan. And then next step ay ipipaste natin dito. So use command keyword Control plus B para ma-paste natin yan and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore of versions completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword as fc space /scan now. So in all small letter and /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, and then we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so we need to close this CMD. And here, start menu, just tap only restart. Okay, so click restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix WINMM.DLL missing or not found error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.